Hello, I'm 𝐄𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥. I'm representing Spintech Engineering. We are established in 2020 in Rajkot. We are manufacturer of auto parts, machine parts and marine parts. We have all multi-dimensional facilities for small, medium and large jobs. We are working with different types of materials like mild steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminium and alloys. We are using new methods for manufacturing to save material and for better finishings like pressure die casting, investment casting and forging. We are in Engiexpo for market survey and to find better business connections.